Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota CHR key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. It's also a good idea to have a soft cloth or surface ready to protect your key fob from any scratches while you work. This simple process takes only a few minutes. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side and slide out the mechanical key. This will reveal a small notch. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its designated slot. Now, it's time to test your newly re-energized key fob. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.